Hello and welcome back, everybody. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can remove the message button from our personal Facebook account. So, in order to do so, you must adjust your privacy settings to prevent the unwanted messages. So, for that, open up the Facebook application on your device, and once you open it up, you can just head over and navigate to your menu icon in the top right corner once you are logged in. Once you tap on it, the menu appears with your account and different other options available. You may scroll through the given options and head over and find the option for settings and privacy and expand it up. Once you expand it up, you should be finding different options. You may go ahead and look out for settings and tap on it, and that should open up your settings. Now that you've opened up your settings, what you need to do is you will just scroll to the given options and find the option for audience and visibility section where you will be finding option called how people can find and contact you. So locate the section for that and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you just need to scroll to the given options and head over to the section called how you get message request. Here are four options available. You may go ahead and tap on each option. So first of all, let's tap on for friends of friends on Facebook. So tap on it. And once you tap on it, what you need to do is select the option for don't receive request. So just go ahead and tap on it. And once you do so, you can tap on the save option in the bottom and then confirm it. Same goes for delivery requests from people in your Facebook groups to tap on it. You can just go ahead and tap on do not receive request and confirm it up. After that, you can go to for pages that you follow, delivery request to tap on it and just go ahead and select the option for do not receive request again once again. After that, tap on save. And for last, you can just go ahead and tap on for others in Messenger or Facebook delivery request to tap on it. And then you can just go ahead and confirm that you do not want to receive any kind of request and tap on save. And by setting all these options to do not receive requests, you will effectively remove the message button from your profile and prevent most of the people from sending you messages. This is one of the convenient process you can do. There are different steps for personal Facebook profile in Facebook page, but if it's for a Facebook profile, you can just head over and follow up this process. So that's it, guys. You may find I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.